It's Nick with Roof Right, and we're out here on the farm once again installing a brand new roof on this over 100-year-old barn. This is a heritage property that had an existing traditional cedar shake roof. Well, today we are swapping the traditional for something brand new, something modern that is not going to lose that old traditional charm. We're talking synthetic cedar shake from none other than Davinci Roofscapes. Anyone who knows about cedar shake knows that it is an organic product. These are wood shake tiles that are installed on the roof, but with an organic roofing product, there is going to be wear and tear. There is a little more maintenance involved, but with Davinci Roofscapes synthetic cedar shake, that is no longer a problem. You can have the same look as traditional cedar shake without the worries and all of the higher maintenance that's required for an organic roof. This product comes in a wide array of colors. It comes in multiple sizes and shades of color, so it still has that organic feel once it is up on the roof. And again, it is set it and forget it. For the most part, this product will live up there hassle-free, resistant to splitting, cracking, shattering under any weather elements. And it's going to keep your home looking just as gorgeous as it should be. So happy with how this project turned out, from the synthetic cedar shake to the all-new lightning rod system, and of course the cherry on top with the copper flashed cupolas. This farmstead has been around for over 100 years and it's not done yet. It's ready for whatever Mother Nature throws its way, thanks to Davinci Roofscapes synthetic cedar shake. Roof Right is a proud installer of Davinci Roofscapes. If you'd like to learn more about this product line for an upcoming project of your own, you can visit us at roofright.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.